checking out Changsha. Goddamn, it's cool. Changsha got style. China got it, baby. Cha-cha Changsha. Checking out Changsha. Checking it all out. Checking, just checking. Checking out Changsha.
I just arrived in Changsha. I'm not too far from Muyi Square, and we're looking for a hotel. And I'm going to be walking down the pedestrian street soon, but I'll just kind of see. Looks like we're at some kind of cool stuff already. We'll just kind of do a little 360, and then when the light turns, we're going to cross the street. I'm going to give you a little taste of Changsha, and I'll kind of give you some impressions. But so far, it's pretty damn cool. And I'm afraid the lights are going to go too dark soon. So I want to start filming while I can catch all these beautiful lights. So let's check out Changsha. Check out that nice temple over there too, behind the... Very cool. Okay. Changsha, China, up on the map so you can see exactly where it is in China, and then we'll also do a little bit of a microscopic one because we're going to be right in this area. I'm going to be coming out of the train station right in the center of the city looking for a hotel. So this is going to be the very first impression of me kind of walking around and finding all these really cool alleys and also the main pedestrian street as well. Also, this is number 1 of 12 Changsha videos, first one. So I'll put up a new one maybe every 4 or 5 days. So maybe over the next 2 months, I'll have a lot of Changsha. So if you're interested in the city, subscribe and you can see a lot more of it. And Changsha, let's go see it as if you were there yourself. Okay, so we got a big crosswalk that we're going to try to get across. Yeah, it's just starting to rain. It's a Sunday night. It's about 6 p.m. Sunset is at 7, and I'm just arrived on the train. And what I'm going to try to do is try to get to the hotel and check in as soon as I can. Oh, looks like I can go right down the middle, so I will. And I was going to check in the hotel first, but I feel like it's pretty important that I capture this first because kind of right out of nice neon lights. The lighting is just about perfect. It's not too dark yet, and it will be soon. Oh, check out I think that might be the walking street area that we're going to be exploring later. Check out all the people. There's so many. The city is not as big as I thought, but it's a lot of people. I mean, the train stations are quite manageable. Oh, we got a red light already, so we got to get out of the sidewalk. And I believe that I need to go over there. So my hotel is going to be away from that kind of cool looking street, but I just want to capture the lighting, all the different stuff happening, and hopefully we can still I can check in and still get out while it's still light to capture more of the city. Pretty impressed so far. A lot of young people as well. This city is known for its nightlife. And I was actually thinking that it's Sunday night, so I was thinking that maybe it wouldn't be. I was thinking, oh, it's going to be raining. It's going to be Sunday night. People are not going to be out so much because it's such a well-known city for being like a 24-hour city. But I was definitely wrong. It's definitely lively. A lot of stuff going on, more than I'm aware of even. So I'm kind of surprised. A lot of people selling umbrellas, so I brought my umbrella as well. And I believe that my hotel is to the right, so we're just gonna give you a taste. Later I'll do some other videos, but I don't know how much lighting I have, so I need to be careful about that. And I think my hotel is down one of these streets down here, I think. It might be down that way. So this is kind of a little taste of, this guy's just kind of staring at me. I don't know what he's staring, why he keeps staring at me. But I'm gonna try to go down this alley just because, for one, I can still go back to where I need to go. Because I think it's either gonna be one street more and then down this way. But going down these alleys would be kind of interesting as well. But anyways, my main goal is just to give you an idea. I'll slow down in future Changsha ones. But I don't think I'll have the lighting quite like I do right now. And one of the goals of my videos anyways is not to show you like this really generic highlight of the city, but to give you like actual cities and what they're like at any time of day or night. So this is kind of a taste of the city. And there's so many people around. So I think I'm gonna have to go to the left to get to my hotel. But I like the fact that I'm kind of exploring these things I didn't expect. So many people in here. So I think I need to go down this way towards the hotel. I think it's like 1 block over. So I think I need to go a little bit further. But these alleys are amazing. So I definitely want to capture this because you know, if I walk around and try to plan it, I don't think I'd capture things so interesting. The streets are really clean too. I was in Wuhan and everything was kind of under construction there about a year ago. They have also some really lively, wow, like all kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Huh. Tea House Street. This street, this city is pretty damn cool. Really like it. I was gonna focus on the main street, and now that I'm just a little bit off, I can see that there's stuff all over the place. The reason I came here, because one of them I didn't think the city would be, that's not the reason I came, but wow, look at that. One of the reasons I came is I didn't think the city would be that interesting. Then I have two people that I really respect a lot. One who's traveled all over China, and he just absolutely loved, it's getting really windy all of a sudden. Get the umbrella. So he was telling me how great it is. And then I met a young traveler who was 18 or 19 years old. And he was traveling around China. And he went to a lot of places that are quite well known, like Shanghai. And he said he was a little bit disappointed in some of the cities he had high expectations for. And then he arrived here and he just loved it. He stayed way longer than he thought. He thought it was a great city. So I was like, huh, even a young guy, you know, who's like traveling around, and now I can see why. So I think I'm just kind of meandering now. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I'm gonna have to come to an end to the video, but you can kind of see the endless array of interesting stuff. So I think when I do more videos of Changsha, it should be, there's all this interesting stuff like this too. Dang. Huh. It's all kinds of cool stuff. Man. Anyways, I should probably end it there, get to my hotel, check in, and then I can get back out again to show all this to you more properly. But, it's so cool. I don't even know how to label these yet because I don't know the city I just arrived. Just came out of the station. Just trying to get to the hotel. Okay, let me try to find the hotel, so we're gonna end it there.
China got it, baby. Cha-cha-Changsha.